Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid Ibrahim. I am from class 6B. We are gonna start with practical. Topic is recognition of type of energy. We have two types of energy: kinetic energy, potential energy. Kinetic have four types of energy: heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electric energy. Potential have four energy: gravitational energy, chemical energy, elastic energy, nuclear energy. We have these items for this activity. First of all, torch is light energy, cell is chemical energy, rubber is elastic energy, and bulb is electric energy. We have ball and scale. This is gravitational energy. Thank you.
My name is Aram and I am from class 6B. We have gone from practical recognition of type of energy. We have kinetic energy, potential energy. Kinetic has four types: heat, light, sound, electric. Potential has four types: gravitational, chemical, elastic, nuclear. Torch for light energy, bulb for electric energy, whistle for sound energy, cell for chemical energy, and rubber for elastic energy. We have ball and scale, gravitational energy.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ibrahim and I am from class 6B. Today the practical of recognition of type of energy. There are two types of energy: kinetic energy, potential energy. There are four types of energy. Kinetic energy has four types: heat, light, sound, electric. And potential energy has also four types: gravitational, chemical, elastic, nuclear. We have these items to perform the practical. First of all, torch for light energy, bulb for electric energy, and rubber for elastic energy, cell for chemical energy, and whistle for sound energy, and we have a scale and ball. This is gravitational energy. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Qasim. I read in class 6B. Today I start with my practical. The topic is recognition of type of energy. There are two types of energy: kinetic and potential. There are four types of energy: heat, light, sound, and electrical. Potential, gravitational, chemical, elastic, and nuclear. These are items of practical. Is light energy, is electrical energy, is sound energy, and is elastic energy, and is chemical energy, and is gravitational energy.
My name is Sajid and I am from class 6B. Today I am here to for practical. The topic is recognition of types of energy. We have two types: kinetic and potential. Kinetic energy has four types: heat, light, sound, and electrical. And potential energy has also four types: gravitational, chemical, elastic, and nuclear. We have some items to present this. We have torch for light energy. We have cell for chemical energy. We have bulb for electrical energy. We have whistle for sound energy, and we have rubber for elastic energy, and we have scale and ball for gravitational energy. Thank you.
My name is I read in class 6B. I start with the practical recognition of types of energy. There are two types of energy: kinetic and potential energy. Kinetic energy has four types: heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electric energy. And potential energy has four types: gravitational energy, chemical energy, elastic energy, nuclear energy. There are atoms for the practical. Light are for light energy, and cell for sound energy, and the bulb is electric energy, and rubber is for elastic energy, and the cell is chemical energy. We have a ball and scale. Ball and this is gravitational energy.
Then I am from class 6B. Today I am presenting practical of recognition of type of energy. We have kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy types: heat, light, sound, electric. Potential energy type: gravitational, chemical, elastic, nuclear. It is torch, it is light energy. It is bulb and it is for electric energy. It is whistle, it is for sound energy. These are cells, these are for chemical energy. It is rubber band, it is for elastic energy. We have a scale and a ball. This is gravitational energy.
Khan, I read class 6B. Today I practical topic recognition of type of energy. We are all two type of energy: kinetic energy, potential energy. Kinetic energy: heat, light, sound, electric. Potential energy: gravitational, chemical, elastic, nuclear. These are performed practical energy. These are light energy. Bulb. These are electrical energy. Cell. These are chemical energy. Rubber is elastic energy. Whistle is sound energy, and it is gravitational energy.
I am in class 5. Practical. Noticing the change temperature. Material: 3 cups, 1 tap water, medium cold water, thermometer. We have 1 cup having tap water, second cup 7 cup medium cold water, and third cup water. First cup have temperature 30 Celsius. 2 cup have temperature 15 Celsius. Third cup temperature -2 Celsius.
I am class 5B. Our topic is practical. We are two class changing in temperature. Material: 3 cup tap water. First tap water, second medium cold water, third cold water. First cup have tap water, second cup have medium water, and third cup have cold water. First cup have 30 Celsius. Second cup have 5 Celsius. Third cup have 2 Celsius. My name is Simon and I am from class 4B. Our topic is practical. Noticing the change in temperature. Material: 3 cups tap water, medium cold water, thermometer. First cup has tap water, second cup has medium cold water, third cup has cold water. First cup has 30 degrees Celsius. Second cup has 15 degrees Celsius. Third cup has -2 degrees Celsius. Thank you. My name is Mohammed Rush and I am from class 5B. Today our practical is noticing the change in temperature. Material: 3 cups, 1 tap water, second medium cold water, third is cold water, and thermometer. This is first cup is tap water, second cup is medium cold water, third cup is cold water. Tap water has
temperature 30 Celsius. Medium cold water has 15 Celsius. Cold water has -2 Celsius. Thank you.
My name is Yash. I am from class 5B. Practical noting the change in temperature. One tap water, 2 medium cold water, 3 cold water. Temperature. I reading 5B. Practical. Nothing the change in temperature. Material. 3 cup. Number 1 tap water. Second material medium cold water. Third cold water. Thermometer. We have first cup having tap water. Second cup have medium cold water. Third one have cold water. First one have 30 degrees Celsius. Second have 15 degrees Celsius. Third have -2 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
And I am from class 5. Today is our practical. Noticing the change in temperature. Evaluate 3 types of water: normal tap water, medium cold water, 3 cups thermometer. We have first cup having tap water, second cup have medium cold water, third cup have cold water. The temperature is 30 Celsius. The temperature is 15 Celsius. The temperature is -2 Celsius. Thank you.
I read class 5B. Practical. Noticing the change in temperature. Apparatus. 3 cups. Number 1 tap water. Number 2 medium cold water. Number 3 cold water. Thermometer. We have first cup having water. Second cup have medium cold water. And third cup add water. Number 1 number 1 cup 30 Celsius. And number 2 15 Celsius. And number 3 2 Celsius.
My name is Mohammad Simon. I am from class 5B. Today our practical is noticing the change in temperature. Purpose is types of water: normal tap water, medium cold water, and cold water. 3 cups and thermometer. We have first cup having tap water, second cup having medium cold water, and third cup having cold water. Cup have temperature 30 Celsius. Second cup have 15 Celsius. Third cup have -2 Celsius. Thank you.
And I am from class 5A. Practical. Noticing the change in temperature. Material. 3 cup. Number 1 tap water. Number 2 medium cold water. Number 3 cold water. Temperature. Thermometer.
We have first cup having tap water, second cup having medium cold water in, third cup add water. First cup have 30
I am class 15. Practical. Noticing the change temperature. Material. 3 cups, 1 tap water, 2. Number 2. Medium cold water. Number 3. Cold water thermometer. We have 1 cup having tap water. Second cup have medium cold water. In 3 cup add water. Number 1. First one, 30 Celsius. Number second, 15 Celsius. Number third, -2 Celsius. Thank you.
I read in class 5. Practical. Noticing the change in temperature. Apparatus. 3 cups. Number 1. Tap water. Number 2. Medium cold water. Number 3. Cold water. We have 1 cup having tap water. Second cup water have medium cold water. In 3 cup cold water.